Good morning, Mary. I have a problem with my appointment today.
Oh no, what happened?
My patient can't come at 3. She needs to reschedule.
Let me check the calendar. What time does she want?
She asked for tomorrow morning, around 10.
Hmm, tomorrow at 10 is already booked. Dr. Lee has a patient.
Can we move Dr. Lee's patient to another day?
Wait, let me see. Yes, Dr. Lee's patient can come on Friday at 10.
Perfect. So my patient comes tomorrow at 10.
Yes, I'll call Dr. Lee's patient now to confirm Friday.
Thank you, Mary. And my patient today at 3?
I'll call her too. She's free tomorrow at 10, right?
Yes, she is. You're very helpful.
No problem, John. I'll send both patients a text message.
Great. Crisis solved. I really appreciate your help.
That's my job. Have a good day.